Okay, so there's two ways that we can practice 上弓式. One is we are in a side-on stance, okay, but we expose more of our inner circle. The other way is from we are standing front on, facing the enemy squarely. Okay, but either way, what the manual says is that when the enemy thrust comes in, you're going to block towards your left. Okay, so this way, towards your left. Okay, so let's say we were to use the side-on stance first. So I'm facing the enemy in a side-on stance. Okay, so then the enemy thrust comes in. Okay, I'm going to bang the enemy spear away, right? So this banging of the enemy spear away, we try not to do it by using our hands. So try not to do this and hit the weapon, enemy's weapon away. Because if you were to do this, okay, if you were to miss or whatsoever, then you're exposing yourself. Okay, so we try to use the same principles as we've learned previously for Lan and whatnot. So we, like that, right? Enemy's weapon got knocked away, but my weapon is pointing at the enemy. This allows me to step forward and thrust the enemy or perform other kind of attack. Okay, so let's do that again. So I expose my inner circle. Okay, thrust comes in. My sword was originally resting on my forward knee. Okay, so this gives me the resting point. From the resting point here, okay, I go. Okay, using my core rather than using my hand to sweep aside. Okay, one more time. So here, okay, enemy comes in to attack. So use your core movement, use your body movement to do the deflection. Like that. So then the enemy weapons got knocked away, and now you can step forward to attack. Now, if you were to start from front, facing the enemy squarely this way, okay, then this becomes a bit more challenging. There's two ways that you can deflect the enemy's thrust from facing them squarely kind of a position. Okay, first one is that you have a pivot point on your forward leg. Second one is that there's no pivot point at all. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate both of them.